think we're going to have a deal on Gaza very soon. It's a hell of a problem.
What gives you
Again,
that
it's a
optimism?
problem we want to solve for the Middle East, for Israel, for everybody. But it's a problem we're going to get done. So they have hostages. It could be a little bit less than 20 because some, they tend to die, right? They tend to die. Even though they're young people largely, they're dying. Young people don't die. Young people stay alive. But with this whole thing, they tend to die.